Once upon a time, a group of teenagers discovered an abandoned spaceship buried beneath the Earth. They must work together to repair it and travel to a distant planet in search of answers. A group of teenagers were exploring a deserted area when they stumbled upon an abandoned spaceship buried beneath the Earth. The teenagers were amazed by their discovery and decided to investigate further. They found that the spaceship was in need of repair, and they knew that they had to work together to fix it. The teenagers came up with a plan to repair the spaceship. They divided tasks among themselves and began to work. The teenagers encountered their first obstacle when they realized that they needed a specific tool to repair the ship. The teenagers encountered their second obstacle when they discovered that the ship's power source was damaged. The teenagers encountered their third obstacle when they discovered that the ship's navigation system was offline. They had to find a way to bring it back online. The teenagers worked tirelessly to repair the spaceship. They used all of their skills and knowledge to fix it. The teenagers successfully repaired the spaceship and launched it into space. The teenagers embarked on a long journey through space. They encountered many challenges along the way. The teenagers arrived at their destination, a distant planet. They were amazed by what they found. The teenagers discovered that the planet was home to a unique species of animals. They were fascinated by the creatures and wanted to learn more about them. The teenagers explored the planet and learned as much as they could about the animals. They took notes and made sketches. The teenagers discovered that they could communicate with the animals using a special device. The teenagers discovered that the animals were in danger. Their habitat was being destroyed by a group of invaders. The teenagers came up with a plan to save the animals. They knew that it would be dangerous, but they had to try. The teenagers engaged in a fierce battle with the invaders. They used all of their skills and knowledge to defeat them. The invaders were defeated, and the animals were saved. The teenagers celebrated their victory. The teenagers returned to Earth, and their adventure had come to an end. They knew that they had made a difference in the world.